Delhi arong supi long Union Home Minister Amit Shah along Metong Damsi Assam napen Northeast along itu Autonomous Council CAP CEM then parte Tripura Aricho Roduji along ditang etong duno lapen di Mahasau men duno lapen Borolen men duno lapen Khasi Jondia Garu dan Lai Mara itu we CM tumahan pen setongsi non kibangi Marot kabangso constitution ingdeng karu isra ingko irapho kabangso amendment along diltung kedamtang karbianglong MOS ini 2021 lapen 2011 ini MOS anding tinta pwede patikong kipin pen itu kewepan panggup kondok pen abangso asai kiteng kondi pamsi diltung singwai jitan tamlo benan parte la along tina council tuntawi metang labangso alam asom kiduan tamelang kung tipaklang no lapen la indeng harui sira ingkora po labangso amendment along la cap Autonomous Council at may sudo anta pepleng kon di panbangsi cenderung di pondo dan parte lam cak cipilo apen dalang litung ning ceklo jonang bong alang litung insiring cap pompen litung kepatang pon alam doan lapen de MOS ini tawane angton pen gedeng pompen pacun poni pansi di lam cak cipilo
nilitong la election ISU 125th amendment labang solam kato gawe election sa jai pondo lapengga labang so bange bill number 2019 Rajya Sabha long introduce to la se non Lok Sabha long introduce dia pha la mane la chikloyon angmong si ajak mane kili damde kepleng damde pot am sidame uthot mane chin wai ko MOS 2011 lapengga MOS 2021 6 organization 6 million group dan kacetok kapot am setane usot tingwai pun tubuh bangsi Home Minister abang ilit dompan nang pangdak kono lapen ciklo yo nang bongsi la a problem kedua am setane pacun oner nang si lamcak nang cipidon
address. We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us, if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the government of India on any accord, any agreement will be honoured, because that is not agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister. And we are hopeful because councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Teje Hills, it may mean something for India, it may mean something for Karbi Anglong, it may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community, and if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner.